hello, Mr. George. Here's Lina, the sales director of GQ Laser. So my colleague, Ms. Jerry, introduced you to me. You were interested to buy the tube laser cutting machines. So just now, I wanted to take the online meeting with you. Okay, George. So I hope that you can feel the real visit of GQ by your side. So I will introduce to you step by step. Okay, here's our factory. The factory. Okay, George. Here's our factory. It's very beautiful. We are a very beautiful city. Now it's autumn season. All the leaves falling down, become yellow. It's very beautiful. I hope that after the COVID-19, you can come to visit our factory by yourself. Welcome. Okay, George. Now I will introduce something about the GQ Laser company. So firstly, we got some certificate for exporting, like the CE for Europe, the FD for Canada, for America. So we got a lot of patents as well. As a high-tech technology company. Okay, and here's our domestic market. We have 7 branches and have more than 20 offices all over the China. Okay, and here's the international market. And we got some. We already sold the machines to 174 countries already. So I hope that you will be more customer after your decision. Okay. Okay, here's GQ Laser history. We started from 2006. Yeah. And every year we got a very good updating of the machines and the companies. And since 2010, we got the first machine of the fiber laser in North China. And also for the tube laser, this is the combo laser, the tube laser. Since 2013, we got the first automatic tube laser cutting machine. So the machine you are interested in is quite simple, it's not so complicated. So the machine will be very good for you. So till now, this 8 years, GQ Laser focused on the tube laser cutting machine researching and development. So we can make sure the quality and service. Okay, here's some of our customers all over the world, and they are our agent, our users. I hope that next time we will see your photo here. Okay. The laser cutting machine, we also did some laser cleaning, laser welding, and laser engraving and laser marking machines. If you have more interest, and if you have some friends who are interested to buy the laser machines, and we can make more solutions for you. Okay, here are some samples of the tube cutting for different industries. So also later, we will show you the machine cutting for your material. For different industries. Also, we can make the channels. Yes, here is the bed, but it's not a very normal bed. It's cut by GQ Laser cutting machine. Okay, and for medical instrument. And before the machine, the bed is like this. It's full of tubes. The square tube, rectangle, something like your material. So a lot of customers make this one, they purchase the tube laser cutting machine now to increase their cutting efficiency and production. I hope our machine will help you for your production and let you earn more money. Now it's very busy season now. Every day there's more than 10 machines. More than 10 machines will be delivered. So it's quite busy. I'm in the outside of the workshop. You can see the machines after loading. This model is the one you're interested. So the machines will be delivered today. After the woody box after the package it will be shipped to, to other countries. Okay, so here is the workshop and the most important part you want to see. Okay, this part is our chip laser cutting production. And this part is for the sheet metal cuttings. Okay, the workshop is one part. Another part is over there. Later I will show you. This one is our biggest machine now. It's by 3 ton, but it's a little different from you. Make your machines like that. Later I will show you. Okay, here's a laser welding machine workshop. So the handheld welding machine is quite popular now. It can save your cost and the high speed and also the good quality. So that's why it's very popular for you to, instead of the traditional processing tools. Okay, and most of the customer they buy the tube laser cutting machine and also the welding machine together. Okay, now it's the big surprise for you. The one you are interested in, the most popular model of TQ tube laser cutting machine, 60160 and LN. So here we are under production. So every month we got more than 60 to 80 machines of this model. Okay, so your choice will be the best. Okay, George, are you familiar with sample that Jerry sent to you on July? Maybe about 3 and 4 months before. The material is made according to your request. It's like 14 by 24. Yes. And your product is the shelves. We make the welding, the cutting, and on this one we cut the holes on side. We already sent you the video before. So today we will show you the online leaf cutting for you. My engineer, Mr. Tiger. Yes, it's the same. It's the same. So this is your product. Okay. They are Mr. Tiger and they are very experienced engineer. So after you buy the machine, so don't worry about the operation, training, the maintenance, and they will teach you in details. Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, George, thank you so much. Hope you like the machine. Okay, here's our R&D center. There are more than 40 engineers which are very experienced, and they are the biggest support for the marketing and customer. So the strong team make the strong product, and GQ Laser will be your best choice.